These are the beginning of birth.
On March 7, 2022, floods struck Kuala Lumpur, the capital of Malaysia. March 7th at 2:30 p.m., Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Suddenly the sky darkened, and the sky began to pour heavy rain as if it had been pierced. The road is filled with water in an instant. Thousands of vehicles were submerged. Heavy rain caused flooding up to 2 meters high in several areas around the Klang Valley in Malaysia, including the capital Kuala Lumpur. Hundreds of homes were flooded and families had to be rescued. The property was destroyed and the business was forcibly closed.
Di jalan raya, matilah, lari sama penumpangnya, matilah, oh ya lah. Oh, nampaknya hanyut. Wassalamu, wassalamu. Selamat tinggal. Hari raya di jalan raya, matilah, lari sama penumpangnya, matilah. Nampaknya masih besar.
Coming in 2022, extreme weather events are becoming more and more severe all over the world. Now is the time to be vigilant and watch.